What's up, YouTube? Finally picked up the car last night with the new performance mod installed already and everything. As I mentioned in my last video, even though I didn't really say the mod that I was getting, but it's a performance mod. Finally got it installed. I got the long tube header. Go ahead and show y'all real quick. There it is with the high float cat. She sounded way better. In this video, man, we're just gonna go over some sounding, and at the end of the video I'll go over the cost and the dyno number, you know, how much horsepower is again, and the torque, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick revving. There goes the revving, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and do some launches and you know, a little cruising to see how it sounds on the street. See you in a bit. That was it, you know, for the launching and the drive-by, you know, the little cruise in there. Now let's go over the numbers for y'all real quick. Now let's start off with this on. So the long tube header that I went with was Stillness Work long tube header with a 3-inch high float cat. That's what it went with. Okay, so the cost of that for the long tube header itself was $1.992, so pretty much $2 grand. And after that was the manifold gasket, which is $65, and you know, the labor and everything else, they charged me $1,000 for that, $1,050. I just say $1,000. And I also had a manifold bolt that was broken, a couple, so they charged me an extra $150 to extract that. And that was it. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. And the tuning. So for the tuning, I did a dyno tuning. I think it was tuned by HP Tuner. It's tuned, the header is tuned, my cat back is tuned, the cold air intake as well, because I had all those before I installed the header. And it's also tuned on 91 octane or 93, any premium gas. So the total comes up to, after tax and everything, it comes up to 4.2 grand. So there it goes, y'all. That's the cost. And I don't know, that sounds, I don't know, kind of a lot. You know, I had to do it for, it's a little investment for the YouTube and everything. Let's go over to the dyno numbers. And before I got the header installed, I had a cold air intake and a catback exhaust. That's all I had. And that's about it. Other than that, I don't know how much I would have been pushing with the catback and a cold air intake. I never, you know, went on a dyno for it. But let's go over to the number. I was, you know, it was a little lower than I expected, which is fine. You know, the power and the kicks, that when I was, you know, launching and everything, it's much faster. It responds a little faster. And let's go over to the numbers real quick. So on a stock dyno run, the first run for, you know, when it was with the catback and the K&N and loan, before the tune and everything, before the header, it was pushing 296 to the wheel. And for the torque, before the header was 330. So that's a pretty good number for 08 with the pre-Ego head. Not the best head. I wish I had the 09 up. You know, I would have better flow in there. Probably pushing more for sure. And after the dyno, I mean after the tune and the header installed and everything, we're looking at 312 to the wheel, which is probably 370 horsepower. I don't know, y'all let me know down in the comment. And the torque went up pretty high. Went up by 30, so we're looking at 360 on the torque. So there goes a 30 increase in the torque. So I was very glad. I was very happy about the torque. But there it goes. And for the you know, the to the wheel, I think we'll gain about, what is it, for about 16 to the wheel, which is, it's all right. It's pretty decent. I was expecting at least 320, 330 to the wheel, you know, with the after the header and everything, but I'm cool with it. It's a lot faster, sounds better, sounds louder overall, and I'm glad. And I think that's it for the video, y'all. Let me know down in the comment. I'll be uploading more videos for channel. I got more plans for the car ahead, so I hope y'all subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next video. And I'll see you on the next video.